What is up, everybody? It's your bro Luke Feast, back at you with another video. Today, I'm gonna do something that I am completely a noob to. I want to learn how to make video games. I come to realize it's really fucking hard, but I found this cool website called GDevelop. In this video, I'm gonna try to make a video game, but I'm just gonna make it very simple. I like to learn new things and expand my mind, so sue me. So this is GDevelop, and this is the game I've been working on. I'm just gonna open it. I'm just gonna show off what I've been working on. I had this like inventory. I was trying to figure out how to make an inventory bar. But right now, basically, it's an over-the-head game, and you just Trey, and you're walking around. I know how to like make him do this stuff. That's not too hard. And here's his kitchen, the living dining room, whatever. But I want to start from scratch. I'm still gonna use this entity though. But yeah, this is like a video game I've been trying to make, and it's been fucking hard. Now I'm gonna make a new game. When you can just create a new game like this. And the first thing you're gonna want to think about, is it gonna be a platformer game, a top-down game, whatever. You can even do 3D games, but those are harder. I'm just gonna do a top-down. I haven't a concept that I can do for the game, but basically I was thinking of calling it Saving Ethan. Create new game, okay, let's go. And it gives you this shit. I don't really want any of this shit. These are just entities that we can delete. I'm gonna delete all this. So for this is the character, the player. And I'm gonna click the character. I'm gonna call it player. So now I'm gonna add a sprite. And I can open it from my computer, video game of Trey. I have these characters, and this is like the top down. And this will be him idle. I'm gonna delete this. If we click apply, then it's gonna be Trey. I wonder if I can rotate him. I want him smaller. Anyways, so now we got Trey, but it's just, when you play it, it just moves, but it's nothing really. Anyways, I'm gonna add a background. I think I'm gonna add a background though. I'm gonna go to a new sprite, and we can go panel sprite. I'm just gonna take a simple background, maybe just blue one. And we'll put it on the base layer. So now, if we preview it, we can see he's moving around, but it's not that interesting. He's just like a blob. So this is him idle right here. But I'm gonna add a sprite for him walking, and these are his two walking animations, where his feet are kind of in front of each other. I'm gonna call that W-A-L-K. Keep in mind, I don't know anything about this. I'm learning from scratch. Dead. This will be him dead. So we got these animations ready, but they still don't add anything. Still just a blob. Oh yeah, so if you go to the scene, game scene right here, I'm gonna take this out and add a condition. If this happens, then this happens kind of thing. Like, let's say, so I'm gonna type in press. When you press key pressed and you click up, like the letter up, then, which is the control we use to have him move around, we can add the animation by name, and we have to do that for every single button that we press for him walking. Down, walk plays. So now, if we preview the game, and he's idle, he walks, working. Oh yeah, so we have to do loop. But if we click loop, now it will go like, there, now he's walking. So it looks a little more animated. And this is kind of the style I want to do. Oh, but it's not stopping. How did I stop it? I forgot. Oh yeah, I remember. So you have to click release. When the key is released, then player animation. Then it's just going to be the idle animation where he's just standing still. And we'll do the same thing for every other one. Released key. We'll have to make that player animation idle. I've been really getting into this for some reason. There we go. So now, if we preview it, he walks, and we let go, and he's idle, and walks, and let go, yeah. So he's walking around. So we got the animation set up. And now, how do you add, I saw other people doing like scene like groups, but I didn't get that. Oh, that's how you do it. I can call this walking. Oh, that's how we did it. I was trying to figure that out. Anyways, that's walking. We'll have to add some obstacles and bad guys and a checkpoint. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add a new sprite. Ethan, I'm just gonna have Ethan. And he's gonna be right here. He's the other character in my animation. So this game is based off an animation I have called Story of Trey. And you can check that out on my YouTube channel. But he's gonna try to get from here to here. So I'm gonna add one for obstacles. I'm gonna call it wall. And instead of like having to look for something, we can just create a file. And I'm gonna make just a black wall. I'm so creative, I just made a black wall. And for this, we can make like a maze. Like he has to get through obstacles to get to Ethan. I'm just making something really, really simple because this is my first game I ever really made. We're gonna have to make a maze. I think that's a good enough maze. But basically now, if we preview it, he just walks over the wall. So actually he walks under them, but still, not good enough. So what we do is we go to game scene, and I'm gonna go click, and we click wall, and then it was separate objects, player, only player will move. So that makes like a barrier, and I have to change that to wall. That's backwards. So move player away from wall, only player will move. Click the player scene objects, separate objects, and then click the wall. So now, if we preview it, you can't get through the wall. I don't know why the barrier is kind of like lopsided. This is gonna be a really shitty game, but at least I'm trying. I don't know why he's not going through the wall. I wanna make it so that like, when you hit Ethan, you win. Beep, 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 beep. Anyways, but there's also gonna be bad guys. We're gonna need, I'm gonna add a condition. When the player comes in contact with Ethan, collision, you click collision to the goal, then I'm gonna have some text come out that says you win. I was trying to figure out how to make an inventory hotbar for like 4 hours and I couldn't figure it out. So that when I hit Ethan, I have a better idea. Maybe I'll just add a new scene. What if I add a new scene? I haven't done this before. Add a scene, add a scene. Fine, I'll add a new object and it'll say, new spite, you win. And that will show up on the last scene. This is gonna be the stupidest fucking game ever. So when the player hits the scene, when the player hits Ethan, it will change the scene to win. Yeah, it works! I didn't do that. So now I just wanna add some bad guys to make it a little more challenging. Let's go to S plus button and add a new spite. And I'm gonna call it bad guy. We can just create with pixel. I'm just gonna make a guy with a gun. So there, new spite, bad guy, apply, and it's called bad guy. And we can make one here and one here. And now I'm gonna go to the game scene event. The bad guys are gonna be moving towards an object. Let's see if that works, if the bad guys move towards the players. I don't see anything happening. They're still not moving. How do I make the bad guys move towards the player? Let's just do 20 and see if that's too hard. I'm gonna take that out. So now the bad guys are moving towards the player, but they're not going around the obstacles. Oh yeah, so we have to go like, bad guy, separate objects, here we go. Separate object from wall. Will it still try to go through the wall? Yes. Why won't it learn to go around? What if I make it like 100 pixels? 100 pixels, will that do anything different? 500 pixels. This is too easy. Oh, that's too hard. How about 300? I have to go. Yay, there we go. But now we have to make it so if the bad guys touch me, I die. So, action. When bad guy comes in contact, I'm gonna make a new event. I'm gonna make it so when the bad guy collides with the player, then player dies. There is no preload scene. Here we go, game scene. Okay, that's how you do it. Preload scene. So let's see what happens if I get hit by the player now. It's supposed to delete the player when I really want to make like an actual game where like an open world story of Trey game, but that would be really hard to make. I'm still learning. So if player is in collision with bad guy, so it should be that if the bad guy collides with me, I die. But my eyes aren't going next to these. I don't know why. Fuck it. I'll just make a lose screen. You'll have to reload the game if you lose. I'll just say U-L-O-S-E. And that'll be you lose. You lose! So if I come in contact with this guy, you lose! If I make it to Ethan, no! I can't. You win! I need to add more bad guys. This is too easy. Maybe one right here, and one right here. I'm gonna make this a little shorter. I win! Okay, that's a little more challenging. Alright, and then I'm gonna share the game. I'm just gonna publish this game. It's really stupid. It's called Saving Ethan. Anyways, that's my game. It's really, really, really hard to make. I don't even know why I made it and why I've been investing so much time in learning about it, but it's actually really interesting. I'm gonna exit out of this. Ah, there it is. I'm running from the bad guys. Oh, you can't get me. I win. Okay, that's it for that video. Now, stay tuned for more tunes, films, and music, and have a great day. Okay, before I head out and leave, I wanted to show you a video game I've been working on. It's pretty interesting, I guess. It's Story of Trey, the video game. But basically, let's just go and play it. This is the preview button. I want to show you what I've been working on. Preview! There's a lot that goes into it. Okay, I made a health bar, and I made a mission text. So it says go to Ethan right here on the top right corner of the screen. It shows my health bar in the top left. And now we can walk around. And there's the bathroom. I'm gonna take a dump. I do want to do some editing to it.
Hey Trey, are you ready for school?
There's
Fuck
Ethan.
No, I'm not. But I guess I have to go. Me too. Let's go to school.
And then he walks to school. And then the mission changes. Go to school. I'm actually gonna full screen this. It starts off with Trey. You click W if you're up, S for down, yada yada. So we're gonna go to Ethan. I was thinking of making an upstairs right here, but we'll deal with that later. This is
Hey, Trey, where the fuck are you going?
If the player chooses to go the wrong way, that's what happens.
Hey, Trey, where the fuck are you going?
You can't drive the car. I didn't program that.
Hey, Trey, where the fuck are you going?
And then you go here.
Hey, Trey, are you ready for school?
And there's
Fuck
Ethan.
No, I'm not. But I guess I have to go. Me too. Let's go to school.
And then he walks out of the house. And then, once the player collides with this door,
hey Trey,
I need to change the color of that.
What are we gonna do at school today? I don't know, Ethan. Probably just make fun of Mr. Bird and talk about random shit.
And then we follow Ethan. And there's trees.
Watch out for that car, Trey.
I need to change that.
Thank
That's
you,
the point
Ethan.
that he walks to.
I wonder what Andy's doing.
Oh yeah, and if you hit the car, you die.
Trey, we have to be careful here. There's a lot of police officers, and they'll use their police brutality.
Oh, if you click F, he punches. I don't see the police officers. Where are they? They're supposed to be around. Oh yeah, I have to add more. I think I did. And the health bar gets here.
Oh cool, we made it to school. Yay! It's about time.
Soda.
I'm ready for hell.
And that's all I got so far. There are bad guys. Like, where's level 1? Oh, here it is.
Hey Trey.
Is if you
what
walk
are we
this
gonna
way
do at school today? I don't know, Ethan.
and wait,
Probably just make fun of Mr. Bird and talk about random shit.
the car kills you.
Hey Trey,
Isn't
we
doing
have
anything.
to be careful here. There's a lot of police officers.
Where are the
And
police?
they'll
Oh, there's
use
one.
their police
Oh, they are attracted to me.
brutality.
Ah, I'm losing health. Oh, I killed it. I need to edit that. It looks kind of lame. I'm gonna make the car move slower.
Oh,
So
cool. We made it to school.
then the health
Yay.
goes up when you have the
About
candy bar.
time. I'm ready for hell.
Then I'm gonna make it so if you click walk onto this, you go into the new scene, but I haven't made it yet. So yeah, that's my video game so far. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video. Stay tuned for more tunes, films, and music, and have a great day.